Bridge Network is among the top IDOs which is scheduled to come out in the next few days, and in this video we are going to cover what exactly is Bridge Network and understand how it works, what are the problems it's trying to solve, and also how you can actually participate in the IDO. Do watch the video till the end, because in the end we'll discuss about a giveaway that Bridge Network is hosting and how you can actually claim the airdrop and be a part of that giveaway as well. With that being said, welcome to Crypto Bulls Club. My name is Soham. Every day on this channel, I show you how you can make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto and you like making money, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon. So guys, let's jump onto Bridge Network and let's first try to understand what exactly is Bridge Network. So Bridge Network is actually building a cross-chain super dApp that enables seamless transactions between different blockchain ecosystems. The cross-chain protocol aims to be the one-stop shop for all major cross-chain activities by providing the tools a user might need to transact in the multi-chain world. So basically what they are providing, as the name suggests itself, is they are bridging the gap between different blockchain ecosystems. Now what does this actually mean? For example, you want to transact between an Ethereum and a Binance Smart Chain. How you can actually do it is by connecting with the Bridge Network. Now, there has been multiple other bridges present in this space, but why we should be choosing Bridge Network is something we are going to cover in the later part of this video. Now, the Bridge toolkit is made up of 6 NFT tools. As you can see right here, there are 6 tools that they are planning to launch. Number 1 is the Token Bridge, and they have also named each one of these tools. For example, the Token Bridge is called the Vanderbilt. The Vanderbilt is an intuitive tool that enables users to move a single token from one blockchain to the next. The next one is the NFT Bridge. Now, this is where I believe the real value is lying, because cross-chain NFT interactions is the next biggest thing and next big problem that should be solved. Now, they are calling this bridge the Picasso. As the name suggests, the Picasso allows users to transfer NFTs along with its metadata between different blockchains, which is extremely crucial. Now, the next tool is called the Rockefeller, which is the custom tokens. Now, this tool is targeted towards the developers. The Rockefeller helps developers integrate their existing assets into the global token bridge. Fourth tool that they are trying to build is called the Multi-Chain Explorer, and they have named it the Columbus, which helps users track both the fungible and the non-fungible asset movements between different blockchains. And the fifth one is the cross-chain trading. Now they have called it the Carnegie. This grants the ease of trading any two assets of any blockchain with its cross-chain trading interface. And the final tool which they plan to launch is called the TUL, which is a cross-chain yield aggregator, and it will efficiently aggregate yields from multiple assets and automatically bridge and stake the assets. So these are the 6 tools that they plan to build in the future. Now, why are we so much excited about this Bridge Network? Quite a few reasons. Number 1, look at the backers they have. They have been backed by FTX Ventures, which is the VC arm of the FTX exchange. Apart from that, they are also backed by MEXC Global, Blockfinex, CryptoOasis, and a few other reputed venture capitalist firms in the crypto space. So this is one of the many reasons why I'm so excited. The other reason is the market cap. The initial market cap for this token is only, if you take a look here, is only $125,000, and it has a lot of space to grow. Even if it does a 10x, it will still grow to about $1 million, which in itself is very, very low as well. Now, what are some of the tokenomics of this particular coin? Now, as I mentioned already, the initial market cap is $125,000. The total supply is 500 million tokens. The private sale and the seed rounds are completed, wherein in the seed round they had raised about 2.5%, in the private rounds about 8.6%. Public sale they are only targeting about 0.5%, which is good, right? They are not exposing the complete bucket in the public round, which is very, very important. Now, before diving deeper into the details of how you can actually be a part of the IDO, let's take a quick look on the team for Bridge Network. Now, Kimberly Adams is the co-founder of Bridge Network, and she is based in Barbados, as you can see right here. So she is basically from the West Indies. If we scroll down on her profile on LinkedIn, we can see that prior to starting Bridge Network, she was also the VP marketing of Digital Bits, which is also a cryptocurrency project, and as well as she has worked with other companies like Smart Valor and few others in the crypto space as well. And she has experience of more than 6 to 7 years in the crypto space, which is a good thing. That means she understands the space and she has deep knowledge of running the business as well. Her co-founder is Samuel Eke, who is the CTO of Bridge Network, and he is based in Nigeria. And prior to starting Bridge Network in July 2021, he was a blockchain developer for TradeDog and TTFi. So he has been in the blockchain and the crypto space for some time now. He understands the tech behind building a blockchain based product. So the team looks convincing to me, and they are not anonymous. That is also a thumbs up for me as well. Now let's try to understand what are some of the problems that they are trying to solve, right? So they are trying to initially solve a few problems, like for example the user experience in this bridge. So they want to solve for the user experience. Then centralized cross-chain protocols. The multi-chain world has expanded faster than the demand for decentralized cross-chain tools can be met. This boom has driven cross-chain protocols to make significant security trade-offs in order to meet user demands, resulting in exploits to centralized validator networks. So this is also an important problem statement which they are trying to solve. And finally, they are trying to solve for the asset scaling on centralized cross-chain protocols as well. So they have identified a few problem statements and they are working around it as well. Now, what does the roadmap for Bridge Network look like? Let's take a quick look on that as well. So in Q4 of 2021 is when the fundraising and the testnet was launched for Vanderbilt and the Rockefeller, and the early adopters were there. Q1 of 2022 is when the token launch was done and the security audits were done. Q2 is when onboard trusted validators testnet launch for Picasso will be done. Q3 and Q2 of 2022 is also when the IDO will take place. Q3 of 2022 is when the mainnet launch of the Picasso and the DAO governance testing will be done. Q4 of 2022 is when the testnet launch for Carnegie. So as we had discussed, there are 6 tools that they are trying to build. So each quarter has a testnet launching for each of those particular products, and the mainnet will be launched somewhere in 2023. As you can see right here, in Q1 they'll launch the mainnet of the Carnegie, then Q2 they'll launch the mainnet of the Tull, and in Q3 of 2023 they have a plan to build the DAO. Now that is something which is very important, as they are speaking of decentralization. Building a DAO and having a DAO in their roadmap is extremely important, right? Now let's try to understand what is the significance of the token that they are trying to build, right? Now the token here will be called the BRG token. There are 5 or 6 utilities which they have highlighted. Number 1 is the security feature. BRG is used as a security mechanism, so more validators are required to stake BRG as collateral to become an active participant in the network. This is similar to other networks as well. Then again, BRG will be used as a fee. The token issuers are required to pay an amount in BRG to register their assets in the global token bridge via the Rockefeller. This is for the developers. They have a burn mechanism as well. 50% of the tokens paid by the token issuer is paid to the validators, and the remaining 50% is burned monthly or quarterly. Then there's the settlement as well. The BRG token is used as an intermediary settlement token when facilitating cross-chain swaps. The rewards would be given using the BRG token to further incentivize cross-chain liquidity, and as part of the DAO, BRG acts as a governance token to vote on significant updates and changes in the protocol as well. So they have clearly laid down the path for the usage of the BRG token here as well. Now the important thing is how you can actually participate in the IDO and what are some of the important dates for the IDO. Let's take a quick look on that. Now, some of the important dates for the IDOs includes like 11th April 2022 was when the whitelist opens on the Ignition launchpad. 13th April was when the token sale commenced on the TDX launchpad. 18th April is when the whitelisting closes for Ignition launchpad, and 18th April the winners of the Ignition whitelisting will be announced. 20th April, the token sale commences on the Ignition launchpad, and 20th April, the token will go live on a centralized exchange. Guys, this is a very important. They are committing to listing on a centralized exchange on 20th of April between 3 to 6 p.m. UTC, which is extremely important as well. Right now, let's try to understand how you can actually participate in this IDO. And to be honest, guys, I'm very excited about this IDO as well. So let's jump on to the details. So the IDO is held across paid network, right, guys? So the process for paid network is a little different than some of the other launchpads that they have. So let's jump onto the paid network and understand how you can actually participate in the IDO for this. So here we are on the paid network website. Make sure you visit the correct URL, so ignition.paidnetwork.com. This is the Ignition launchpad of the paid network. The first thing that you need to do here is basically sign up on this particular launchpad. How you can sign up is extremely easy. You can actually sign up providing these details, and a link will be sent to your registered email ID. Once you click there and you confirm your email ID, then you'll be able to sign in. Since I already have an account here, let us sign into this as well. So let me quickly sign in here. So I have logged in right now, as you can see right here. Then the next important part is connecting the wallet here, right? So you can connect the MetaMask. So you can click here on MetaMask and you can actually connect your MetaMask, right? So mind you connect your wallet in the BSC network here, right? That is very important. Now for the TDX launchpad, what you need to do is you need to click on sign in, and if you already have an account, you can just simply sign in, or you can click on create an account and sign up using Google or by simply providing these details, right? Since I already have an account, I'll click on sign in and I'll sign in using Google, right? So now I have successfully signed into my account. The next important thing for the TDX launchpad is that you need to complete the KYC. How you can do it? You can go on this profile icon right here, click on KYC and complete the steps that are required for the KYC process. Here you can see right here the country it has selected. If you are in a different country, you can click on the arrow right here. You can select which country you are from. I am from India, so I'll just select the ID card or passport, residence permit or driving license, whatever is required. For example, I select ID card. Then it will ask me to upload the front copy and the back copy of the ID card. And once I have done that, I'll click on next. It will take a selfie from the webcam itself, and then the KYC will be approved. Mind you, the KYC can take up to 24 hours to get validated or approved. So I recommend you doing this KYC as soon as you watch this video. Right now, what are some of the important details that are required and what is the tier system for this? There are essentially 3 tiers in the paid network launchpad. The first tier is the Moon tier, where we will be required to stake at least 1000 tokens, which will give us 1 lottery ticket. Then there's the Galaxy tier, which requires us to stake 75,000 tokens or above. And then there is the Cosmos tier, which requires us to stake 150,000 tokens. Now, what is the Galaxy tier? The one Galaxy tier guaranteed allocation will be there, and 75 lottery tickets in the Moon tier will be distributed in the Galaxy tier. However, for the Moon tier, there will be only 1 lottery ticket which will be given here. Okay, so this is absolutely important. For the Cosmos tier, you will not only get access to participate in the public rounds, but also you will be able to participate in the private rounds, whichever opens up. Note that all projects are offering private sale allocation. Not all projects are offering private sale allocation. This is important to note. So whichever project does offer private sale allocation, you can actually stake 150,000 paid tokens and be a part of that as well. By the way, if you want to be a part of the private sale without staking too much of tokens, you can get in touch with us. We have a private sale group as well, and it's a premium group. You can pay the fees and you can actually be in private investors and invest across projects, across launchpads as well. Right now, jumping back to the price of one paid token, the price of one paid token at the time of recording is at about 21 cents, a little above 21 cents. So we'll just calculate how much is required to invest. So we'll just multiply 20 to 15. with 1000, this is the minimum requirement, and you will be required to stake about $215 to participate in the first round, which is the moon round, right? So you will be required to stake $215 worth of paid tokens to get into this moon tier. For the galaxy tier, which has 75,000 tokens and a guaranteed allocation, how much do you need to stake? Let's take a quick look at that as well. So let's multiply 215 with 75,000 tokens, and it comes to about $16,135. So $16,000 is required if you want a guaranteed allocation on any projects coming from the paid network. Now, in order to get into the Cosmos tier, you will need 150,000 tokens. So you just simply multiply this with 2, and you'll be required to stake paid tokens worth of $32,250. Now, this could be very difficult for some retail investors. That's why we have the private investment group. If you want to become a part of it, do reach out to me on my Telegram. It's way less costlier than this, guys. Okay, and it is built for retail investors like you and me. Now, jumping back, where can you actually buy paid tokens? This is also important. So on CoinGecko, if you scroll down, we can see the list of exchanges that have listed paid tokens. PancakeSwap and Uniswap are the decentralized exchanges. On the centralized part, you have Hotbit and Who.com as well, guys. Okay, so this is important that Hotbit and Who.com are the places where you can actually buy the paid network tokens. Now, what do you do after that? What are the steps here that you follow after buying this? After buying this paid token, you need to transfer them to your wallet, and then you can click on stake your paid right here. Once you click here, you will be taken to a new browser, as you can see right here. So here you can actually stake your paid tokens, and these are the rewards that you will be getting. If you stake it for 1 year, you'll get 15%. You can actually pause the video right here. You can look at the staking benefits of paid network here as well. Okay, so after that, what you need to do is, if you go onto the TDX launchpad, then you will be required to add dollars into your wallet right here. How much do you want to add? You can add from $100 to $500. And what are the currencies that are available? You can add any of these currencies. Okay, you can add USDT using TRC, ERC, BEP, and USDC, USD. So whatever you want, you can actually add that right here. And how much you need to pay? You can pay $100 to $500 based on the allocation that you are getting. So this is how easily you can actually participate in the Bridge Network IDO. I am particularly very confident about this IDO. The simple reason is that it is actually solving a real world problem. It is not into the play to earn ecosystem, but it has got good potentials, as is highlighted by the backers this particular project has. So if you like this kind of video, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon. Wait, there's one more surprise as well, right? Which I announced right at the beginning. What is that? Bridge Network is actually doing some airdrops, and how you can actually participate in the airdrop. It's a simple gleam contest that you need to participate in. What are the different steps that are involved? There are 10 ways to enter. You can follow Bridge Network across social medias, and there are a few questions as well here which you need to answer in order to participate in this particular IDO. So if you would have watched our video completely, you will be able to answer this very easily. For example, how many tools does the Bridge Network have? We have answered this right at the beginning. It has 6 tools. What is the main function of the Rockefeller app? We have answered this as well. How many networks does Bridge currently support on the mainnet? This also we have answered. There's also a true and false question right here, and there is also a requirement to connect your Binance wallet, which will get you your free Bridge tokens. I'll leave a link to this in the description below as well. So guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you like this kind of content, if you like this kind of engaging IDOs and IDOs which have got great potential, do let me know by commenting below which are some of the other IDOs that you like, or if you would like me to analyze any other coins, we'd be happy to do that for you as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.